since I was a kid, I felt like connection with food it has been always there ever since I was born. My mother always like taking care of us. Cooking the food that I grew up with and doing the things that I do makes me feel really proud. It makes me feel proud of the culture. It makes me feel proud of like where I come from, of my family, of the people that I grew up around. Yeah, Mexico and Mexican people and the culture have so much to offer than what we normally see or perceive.
Because of the amount of spices and different types of ingredients that are used in the cuisine, it reminds me of like Thai food or Indian cuisine, where it's just so expansive. Like there's so much you can do with it, and it's packed with flavor, And there's this like rich tradition behind everything that's made. It's just like a never-ending excitement or motivation to create something new because there's so much Mexican cuisine out there.
The signature dish of the restaurant, it's pozole. It has the corn. We boil it with water. We let it cook slowly. We put dry oregano and salt, and we let it cook. And then we also on the side we make salsa that goes on the actual broth. So it has guajillo chiles, garlic, onion. We grind the peppers and then we add it to the pot. We also have some onions that we're gonna saute. From there we're going to let it cook, let it continue to cook for a little longer, and then we're gonna serve it. In my family, actually, every time we gather, we make pozole.
The food is all prepared here. Everything that they do here is just great. I know that it's well prepared, thoughtfully prepared, and authentically prepared. So that does it for me.
One of the things that I love about the U.S. is that you can eat really good food from all around the world in one place. And I feel like we're doing that. We're sharing the beauty of one culture, especially a culture that's recently being attacked. I think it kind of can change the mindset of some people, like appreciation.
That the food that we produce, it's done with love, it's done with care. It actually brings you to think that you're in Mexico. I just want to help to preserve and continue to offer, the Mexican heritage, which is the food that we do. It creates a connection with people, and eat together next to somebody and being able to talk about the food and talk about the flavors, and it's a very easy conversation, and it doesn't have to be anything else, but just talk about the food and share a moment. It connects you with people in a very easy way.